Okay, back to Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, I don't know the Adobe you are using, but I'm using Adobe 2025. I don't know the one you are using, but anything I do should not be different from the software you are using, like the year you are using. So creating new project. I mean daylight preset test and create. So I'll click on edit. Okay, now I have this particular and here's how you can create it using your smartphone and CapCut. So I have this video in my timeline. As you can see, the effect controls, if I select this, the effect controls, I think this is one of the default stuff that we'll see in Premiere Pro. The effect, you have motion, opacity, blah 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 blah, and that. So we want to work on the color, right? Let us come over to effects panel and search for, okay, I'm going to use Lumetri and I'm going to this cinematic. So I'll be using 2-strip, and I'll take it and drag it to my footage, yeah, and drag it to my footage. So I'll come over to basic. So I just want to do everything. Let me just make some changes and copy it to another clip. So I'm working on the saturation here, I'm working on the construct here, I'm working on the shadow, I'm dropping my shadow a little, yeah, and the white, I'm dropping that a little. So let me play it. Reflection effect, and yeah, oh, this is too much. Okay, under this basic, I've made some changes there already. To create preset simply means storing or saving your work for, you know, further purpose, further use, for further video, so you don't have to like come back and recolor grade all the time. So I make changes on the basic. I made changes on basic. So to make that a preset, you come over to the Lumetri Color you've added, you come over there, you make this thing, you click on it so that it can collapse back, then you right click on it and save as preset. So you can just give it one random name, Lumetri Color daylight Lumetri Color, daylight Lumetri Color. So I have that saved already, daylight Lumetri Color. So now I've saved the preset. So how do I find the preset to use for my next video? So you come over to this effects panel here. Like I said before, I use daylight blah 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 blah, blah to save it. So you just come over here and type the name of the presets, like what you use to save it. So I used daylight Lumetri Color. As you can see, this is it. Then you can take it again and drag this to the video. So this can help you save time. So if you're working on multiple projects, like you're working on multiple clips, you don't need to come back to Lumetri preset and, you know, do the color grade again. All you just need to do is to use that preset, you search for it in the search bar here, you search for it in the search bar, type the name and drag the effect to your clip. So another way you can do that is to copy the property. So let's do that. So I have the second clip now in my timeline. Cool. So I have the default preset, like the default effect that Premiere Pro has added to the video in the clip. So now I want to copy the effect I have in the first clip, which is the color grading that I made. I want to copy that same effect. This is it. the Lumetri to strip. Yeah, so I want to copy it to this. So all I just need to do is to come over here. I'll click on it like this, then press Ctrl C. You make sure that this is selected and press Ctrl C on your keyboard. Then you come over here, you come over to the clip that you want to copy that property to, then you click on the effects panel like this and you press Ctrl V. Now we have the property copied to the next clip. So it's very simple to do. Try it out. All right.